Hey, Jess. Merry first Christmas Eve. Oh, you got your Christmas jammies on. Thank you, Auntie Buzzy. There you go, there you go. And then what happened? What happened? Mommy fought Grandma about the bow? But now Mommy loves the bow. What are we doing? Secret Christmas things in your very messy room. How do I even find you in here? Coffee for Mommy. Milk for Jess. Cookies for me too. Hey. Do you want to say Merry Christmas to everybody? Hi. Oh, is that Merry Christmas? Is that Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you guys.